Okay, good morning. It's a new day. It looks amazing today.
It's
so
a winter
clear.
wonderland.
Okay, but how did we get from Paris to here? Let's rewind and I'll catch you up. We caught a total of 6 trains yesterday. The first 2 trains were metros in Paris. Then we took an international train from Paris to Germany. We then went down to Munich on a train to meet one of my best friends Zoe, who we're going to be travelling with for the next week. Another 2 trains took us down to Füssen, where we'll be staying, and now you're all caught up.
Welcome to our cute little room in a hotel halfway up a mountain. Took us a journey and a half to get here. The cab driver was very confused, but we finally made it. We have a sink, a little vanity area, we have a hairdryer, giant wardrobe with extra blankets, coat hangers, all that jazz.
Don't mind all our stuff, just tucked away.
Our table, a couch, heater, which is my favourite part, and then this really cool bed with the curtains. We each get our own dinner, which is great, so Nick can't complain when I steal the blanket because he has his own. And we'll show you the outside of this place tomorrow because it is so cute. And it's snowing. How exciting.
Look at it. It's so cute. And look at the trees and we can see the castle.
So today's plan, we are first going on a bit of a hike. We're hopefully going to get some good viewpoints of the castle we're seeing. So we're going to Neuschwanstein Castle. Hope I pronounced that right.
The castle that we're going to see is the castle that most of the Disney castles were based on. So that's pretty cool. It's going to look so magical.
We also get to go inside it. So later today we have a tour booked.
Yes.
And going to go have a look around.
We're hiking up a snow-covered hill to find a lookout. Fingers crossed because the rest are closed. And I'm doing it in Nikes. I don't know whether that's a good idea. Look at this place. It's so beautiful. Are you coming?
Yeah. We've made it to an actual sort of path now. We don't think it's too much further to the viewpoint, so hopefully we'll be there soon.
Believe it or not, we're getting really hot.
Yeah, we do have to hope we get to the viewpoint soon because we have our booking for the tour of the castle in about an hour and a half, so we need to get back for that.
Okay, we made it to kind of the top, but the path that takes you to the actual lookout was closed, and the other path is going to take us too long. We'll miss our tour. So Nick's up there filming with the drone, and we're legging it back down the hill so we don't miss our tour of the castle. We both just fell over. How you doing, Zoe? I'm a bit cold. Ow! I just can't get that image out of my head. You literally just sat in the snow. I promise it did not feel like this. The second one was even better. You literally did the same thing. I wish I was rolling the camera when you did that one. My mum thought it was a disappointment for you. Not because it happened, but because you weren't filming. Well, then I can't show your mum. Comment is a
Okay, so we just went inside Neuschwanstein Castle. We couldn't take photos or videos in there because we're not allowed. It was built in like 1870 to 1890 or around that period, so about 150 years ago. It's a lot more recent than I thought it was going to be, and some of the design features were actually really modern and really advanced for the time.
This is King Ludwig. Yeah, he built a throne room just for the fact of having a throne room, but he didn't want to use it as a throne room because he didn't want to sit in it and rule. And the floor was covered in mosaic tiles, it was of the earth and the animals, and then the roof was covered in stars and angels. So basically it represented the earth and going to heaven. Every painting told a story. He had a telephone, but he was the only one in the Bavarian Alps that had a telephone, so he really couldn't call anyone. Modern technology, he was interested in that. We learned a lot more, but I just really recommend you guys have to come. And it was so golden and so grand, and the paintings were floor to ceiling. It was just incredible. And also there was some stained glass windows that were just beautiful. We just stopped off back at the hotel for some hot chocolate and to change my shoes and socks so that I wasn't freezing. And now we are walking into town because we are going to go find some lunch. And the views here are just everywhere you look. It looks like a painting. It's amazing. And there's another castle. We just took some footage of this beautiful yellow castle, like literally not even that far from the castle we were just at this morning. Just like, I'm going to say it again, Winter Wonderland. In case you're wondering, that up there is the castle that we were just at. Also, in case you're wondering, it's currently -2. When we woke up this morning, it was -6, so just a little bit cold. So we just caught the bus into Füssen, the town.
Yep, we're just grabbing a quick lunch, well, a 3:30 lunch.
Look at these burgers.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
I think we found a really, really good place.
Oh wow. Amazing.
Good?
Amazing. We need to turn the camera off, we need to eat.
Oh, we'll be there in plenty of time. Easy do.
We got apple strudel. Pretty much gotten into a routine today. Get on a train, get off a train, get on a train, get off a train, repeat, repeat, repeat. Has been our entire day today. Also, Germany is covered in snow.
Wow.
I kind of made
We
a
can
mess.
make it a day.